This video is set up to show you how to change the cassette on the new JetBlack VOLT trainer. I'm Murray from the JetBlack development team. As the trainer comes pre-assembled with an 11-speed cassette, you may be using 10-speed or XDR or Campact, so you might have to change the cassette out. To do this job, you're going to need two tools, a chain whip and a spline remover. From here, attach your chain whip, remove the quick release or through axle adapter. Now this can be quite tight, so it does take a little bit of effort. Push them down against each other to undo. Once you've got a finger loose, you can just simply unwind the spline and remove the cassette. If you're replacing with a 10-speed, this is when this little spacer comes in. So that just slides onto the cassette body and you're ready to insert your 10-speed cassette. If you're using an XDR or Campact, you're going to have to remove the freehub body. That's a simple job. Simply pull that off and remove. Now you're ready to insert your own freehub body. For replacing the cassette, simply line up the narrow spline with a narrow spline on the body, slide on, repeat that with the rest of the cassette parts. Fitting the last cog is important. It's got a rigid part on it which will help secure the locking ring. With the fingers holding, just do this finger tight, grab the spline tool, holding the top of the flywheel, make sure that's tight, replace your adapters. Now we're ready to go.